Hello folks, welcome to the channel. And if you wish to learn how to fix Windows Update error 0x80246019, then stick around for the solutions. So the first solution would obviously be is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. And how do we do that? We right click on start, go to settings, we go to system, look here for troubleshooter, click on troubleshooter, other troubleshooters, and we run the Windows Update troubleshooter. This should solve the problem, but if it doesn't, then we can do a disk cleanup. We look in search for disk cleanup and we clean up system files. What this will do is this will clean up your Windows Update folders also, your cat root 2 folders, and this should solve the problem. Delete files and this should solve the problem. If that too doesn't work, which is a very rare case, then we can update Windows, we can download the Windows Update manually, and we do that by searching for Windows Update catalog. So this is the link for the Microsoft Update catalog. We click on it, and on the top right hand corner we enter the month, the present month, and the present year. So that would be August of 24 as of today, and we click enter or search, and we have to look for the cumulative update for the 64 system. So the cumulative update for the month you have entered and the year you have entered. So I entered August of 24. This is the cumulative update. We click download and we click the MSU link here, and it will download the said update, and then you can install it. This should solve the problem. If nothing else works, then we can do an SFC scan. So how do we do that? We go to command prompt, we right click, we run as administrator, yes, and we type in the command SFC space scan now, sorry, SFC space slash scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. This should resolve the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.